Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for financial advice and portfolio management. For example, you are a financial advisor and you have to manage many portfolios at once. Managing and responding your users manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create an AI assistant in where at first we will create an AI agent. After that, whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your AI assistant will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So before starting the video of creating an AI assistant for financial advice and portfolio management, let me give you a quick review about how this AI assistant will work and how this AI assistant will reply to your users instantly by sending a message to my AI assistant for financial advice. Here I am sending a message as I need help. Here I sent. Then you can see the AI assistant will reply to me like this, that I am here for you. What specifically do you need help with? Let me know how can I assist you. So here I am asking some questions to my AI assistant where the first question I want to ask as, how safe is my financial data? Then you will see the AI assistant will respond to me like this, that your financial data is very safe with FinVision AI. We prioritize your privacy and use end-to-end encryption to protect your information. Now again I am asking a question. Can I connect my investment account securely? Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that yes, you can connect your investment account securely with FinVision AI. Now I am asking one more question. Do you provide market updates? Then you can see it will reply to us like this, including all the information regarding local financial markets. Now I am asking one last question to my AI assistant. How can I get in touch with support? Then you can see it will provide us the contact details. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated AI assistant for your financial advice and portfolio management, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's enable you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community. It is a special space where all users of Pabbly, whether beginner or experts, come together to ask questions, share ideas and help each other. If you are stuck anywhere while using Pabbly, you can post your doubt here and other users or even the Pabbly team might help you out. You will also find useful tips, updates and example for real user. So it's a great place to learn and connect with others who are using Pabbly just like you. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. So here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on the sign up option to create your account and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I'll go ahead and click on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you can see this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. If you click on this, then you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might use for scanning a QR code code or WhatsApp number integration. The second one is the manual token connect. If you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the meta access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Now in this section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account, while in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here on the left hand side, you can see the different features of Pabbly Chatflow, where the first is the inbox, then the contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. As we are creating an AI assistant, so I am clicking on this AI assistant option. So this is the page where you can create your AI assistant, in where you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. As we are creating a new AI assistant, so I am clicking on this plus add AI assistant button. Here you can see it will ask you to provide one descriptive name to your AI assistant. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided that is AI assistant for financial advice and portfolio management. After that, you have to click on this button, add AI assistant button. So this is the starting point of creating your AI assistant, in where at first you have to select the instruction type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instruction type. You can select it according to your choice. I am selecting the AI agent option here. Now the next one is the temperature. It says how creative the AI answers you want. If we set the temperature to 0, then the AI will give more focused and factual answers, or if we set it to 1, the AI will give more creative answers. Here I am setting this at 0.5. After that, you have to select the AI model provider or platform that you want to use for generating responses. That I am selecting as OpenAI. After that, you have to select the model. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of OpenAI model, that is GPT-4o Mini, O4 Mini, O3, GPT-4o, GPT-4o Mini, and GPT 3.5 Turbo. Here I am going with GPT-4o Mini. After that, the next one is the API key that you can generate from your OpenAI API key page. So for generating this API key, I am clicking on this OpenAI API key page link. So this is the OpenAI platform where you can create your OpenAI key. For that, you have to click on this plus create new secret key button. Here it will provide you one create new secret key box, where you have to select the owned by as you or the service account. Here I am selecting this as you. Then you have to provide the name to your secret key. It is an optional. I am not providing it. After that, you have to select the project. That I'll select as default project. Then you have to provide the permissions, given as all, restricted, or read only. Here I am setting the permission as all. After that, you have to click on this create secret key button. Here you can see your API key is generated successfully. Then you have to copy this API key from here and paste this key into your AI assistant. Here I paste it. After pasting it, you have to click on this connect button. As soon as you click on this connect button, then you can get one pop-up that is OpenAI key saved successfully. After that, here you can see the different AI assistant settings are there, in where the first is the header message. It displays a fixed welcome or introduction at the start of every conversation, helping set the tone and guide user. The next one is the footer message. It adds an fixed line or note at the end of each AI response, useful for disclaimers, links, or reminder. The next is the stop keywords. It stops the AI from responding when certain words or phrases are detected in the user's message, helping in control the chat flow. The next one is the retry attempt. It automatically attempts to resend the AI's reply if the first attempt fails due to technical issues. The next one is the fallback message. It sends a predefined response whenever the AI cannot understand or provide an answer, ensuring the conversation continues smoothly. After that, the next one is the knowledge source. When you click on it, then you can see it will ask you to upload one knowledge source file that will be acceptable in the form of text or the PDF. A knowledge source is important because it ensures your AI assistant gives accurate and consistent Assistant answers. Instead of replying only on general information, it helps provide factual and updated responses from your own documents or data. Maintain brand accuracy by aligning answers with your company's tone, policies, and offerings. Now I'll show you how the knowledge source will look like. So this is the knowledge base file that I have already created before by the name of Knowledge Base for Financial Advice and Portfolio Management. It contains comprehensive information related to financial advice, including investment portfolios, financial goals, market trends, and all other essential details. This ensures that my AI assistant can provide accurate, relevant, and well-informed responses to any user inquiries in these areas. Now you have to click on this file option and download this file in the plain text format or PDF document format. Here I am downloading this in plain text format. Here you can see our knowledge base file is downloaded successfully. After that, we will get back to our AI assistant. Now I am uploading the knowledge source file by clicking on this and upload it from my gallery that we have downloaded recently. Here you can see my knowledge base file is uploaded successfully. Now the next one is the assistant interface, in where you have to provide the heading name that I am going to provide as AI Assistant for Financial Advice and Portfolio Management. After that, the next one is the header display subheading name that I write as We Are Online and Happy to Assist You. You can also modify this if you want to. After that, the initial message I'll set as Hi there, how can I help you today? Then the next one is the label that is powered by Pabbly. Here you can see you can enable this or disable this. After that, the next one is the footer text that I write as privacy and policy. After that, the footer link. If you does not add footer link, then the text will shown as text. Now the next one is the user first message that I write as I need help. This message will be sent to the WhatsApp as an initial message from your user. Now the next one is the styling, in where you can change or modify the designing of your assistant. Here I am not changing it. After that, now your AI assistant is completed. After the completion of your AI assistant, you have to enable this toggle so that your AI assistant will become active, and click on the Save AI Assistant button so that your AI assistant will be saved. And the next one is the embed. This option is used in AI assistant to integrate your chatbot directly into your website or applications by generating an embed code. Now I will tell you one AI assistant setup. For that, you have to click on the setting option and go in this inbox setting. Here you can see this is the inbox settings, where you can enable and customize automatic responses to WhatsApp messages, ensuring your customer received prompt reply even when you are unavailable. When you scroll down, here you can see one option is that is AI auto reply setting. The AI auto reply setting allows your AI assistant to automatically respond to incoming messages without requiring manual input. This ensures faster response time, consistent and 24/7 availability for your users. Now after enabling AI auto replies, you have to select the contact list that I select as all contact, so that the AI assistant replies to every user who reaches out. If needed, you can also configure this feature to work only for specific contacts or manually selected contacts. Now in this I am selecting the AI assistant as AI assistant for financial advice and portfolio management that we have recently created. After that, you have to click on this button, Save button. See, your inbox settings saved successfully. Now I will tell you one another most important setup. For that, you have to click on this inbox option. So this is the inbox where you can store and manage all of your conversation with your user. When you click on it, after that you have to choose the AI assistant from here. Here I am enabling this toggle. Then you can see it will ask you to select the AI assistant that I am selecting as AI assistant for financial advice and portfolio management that we have recently created. After that, I am clicking on the Save button. When this setting is enabled, then only your AI assistant will respond to your user. Now again I am give you one quick review about how your AI assistant will respond to your user. By sending a message to my AI assistant for financial advice, here I am sending a message as I need help. Then you can see the AI assistant will respond to me immediately. That is, of course, I am here to help. What do you need assistance with? So here I am asking some questions to my AI assistant. The first question I'll write is, what types of investments do you offer advice on? Then you can see the AI assistant will respond to me like this. That's FinVision AI provides guidance on a wide range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, real estate investments, mutual funds, and alternative investments. After that, again I am asking one question. Can you monitor my goal progress? Then you will see the AI assistant will respond to me like this, including the information that yes, FinVision AI can monitor your goal progress. Once your investments are linked, we will track the performance of your investments, compare it to your goal targets, notify you if adjustments are needed, suggest rebalancing your portfolio periodically. Now I am asking one last question to my AI assistant. Do you provide market updates? Then you can see the AI assistant will reply to me like this. So this is how your AI assistant will work, and this is how your AI assistant will respond to your users regarding their financial advice or portfolio management without you doing anything. It is only possible with the help of feature AI assistant that are present in Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.